Tortihre, French-Canadian meat pie. A main dish from Canada. Serves 2. You will need 18 ingredients. Step 1. To make the pastry, sift the flour with the salt and baking powder. Step 2. With your fingertips, cut in the lard and butter until the mixture resembles coarse meal. Step 3. Stir in the ice water. Form into a ball. Wrap in waxed paper and chill for 30 minutes. Step 4. Place all the filling ingredients except the potato into a pot. Mix well. Simmer, covered, for 45 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the pork is cooked. Step 5. Add the mashed potato and mix well to eliminate any lumps. Taste for seasoning, adding salt, pepper or spices as needed. Step 6. Cool. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 7. Divide the pastry in half. Roll out half to fit a 90-inch pie plate. Step 8. Add the filling. Cover with the remaining pastry. Make 3 or 4 incisions on top of the pastry to allow steam to escape. Bake for 45 minutes, or until the pastry is golden. Country Reports. Serve hot. Culture, countries, travel.